Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here because today we're going on a shopping trip. I've never been to an IKEA before and my friend Christina was doing some shopping and invited me to come along with her. So I jumped to the opportunity and I said, let's do it. If you want to see what happened, please stay tuned. If you're new here, on this channel we talk about interior design and decorating through fun, affordable DIY projects to help you unleash your inner designer. So please consider subscribing. All right, everyone, I hope you're ready. Let's go shopping. Okay, you guys, so I have heard so many things about this place and I am so excited to be here and I'm gonna show you around, so stay tuned. My God, you guys, I think I found my brand new addiction. This place is amazing. And I'll show you one thing, if you've never been here, the cool thing about this is because they show you the whole room and then the pricing. So this room right here, as you guys can see, the whole room, both walls, it would total to $700. Amazing. So you can literally pick your artwork, pick your frame, and have a customized piece of artwork in your walls, which I think is genius. The selections are limitless right here, so you can actually come up with something unique for your home. What a good idea. We're in the area section and my friend Christina found the cutest but saddest sheepskin rug. And the bad thing is that it's only $17.99. We gotta get two.
It's kind of sad.
Alright, you guys, so they have this glass, kind of like a Pyrex container. And the cool thing about it is because they have different lids, like this wooden one that I am in love with. Then they have this kind of like a rubber, and look what happens. Neat, love it. They also have them in round.
It does it on the plastic.
It does it on the plastic as well. Wow, we're just so easily amused. This place really is amazing. I'm so surprised by the quality and the price points. You guys, if you have one in your town, you definitely have to give them a try. Go check it out and at least get inspired because you know that's free. All right, you guys, so they have so many cutting boards and this guy that I fell in love with is only $19.99. What do you guys think? Should I get it? Now this section over here is also super cute if you live in a small apartment. Doesn't mean that you cannot have cute style. Look at this table right here with these foldable chairs and a little cushion. It's just absolutely cute. And this wall treatment right here, these are super cool and they are $24.99. All right, you guys, so 2 hours later in a cart full of goodies, we are done.
It was dangerous.
It was dangerous. So I just want to recommend, if you have kids and if you want to go ahead and follow my friend Christina on her channel, she does a lot of learning through play.
Yeah.
So go check out her channel if you have kids. And I just want to say, if you have an IKEA in your town, go visit it because it is super affordable and it is actually different and affordable. I cannot get tired of the word affordable. I'm just shocked. All right, you guys, so we're done shopping and I am so in love with this store. My first reaction is wow. There is so many cool ideas, not only product but ideas. If you have a local IKEA in your town, go visit it just for the sheer joy of it. There are so many things from dishes to towels to bedding, to anything that you need for the home, to redo a living room, to redo a dining room, to redo a closet. There is so many products. The only thing I do not like is the fact that you have to assemble everything. If you buy a pillow, you have to put the pillowcase on it. If you buy a lamp, you have to put it together. If you buy anything that you buy, you have to put together. But I think it is worth it because it is oh so affordable and so beautiful. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating ideas. And if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified about future shop with me videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my friend Christina for bringing me. Until next time, bye.